everyone, and welcome back to The Altruist. If you're all about leading a healthy lifestyle, then you're in the right place. Today, I've got a juicy topic that's both delicious and nutritious. Cherries. Yes, you heard that right. Let's dive into why these small fruits are such a big deal for your health. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Cherries, folks, are not just tasty, they are a powerhouse of health benefits. First off, cherries are packed with antioxidants. These compounds fight off the free radicals that wreak havoc in our bodies, leading to reduced inflammation and lower risk of chronic diseases. Imagine that, all from a tiny fruit. Now, if you're someone who hits the gym regularly or just leads an active lifestyle, cherries should definitely be on your snack list. Why? Well, it's because they are fantastic for muscle recovery. Studies have shown that drinking cherry juice can significantly reduce muscle soreness after a workout. So next time you're looking to soothe those aching muscles, why not reach for a cherry smoothie? And let's talk about sleep. Yes, sleep. Cherries are one of the few natural sources of melatonin, the hormone responsible for controlling your sleep-wake cycle. Eating cherries or sipping on cherry juice before bed can help improve the quality of your sleep. It's like a tasty lullaby in a fruit. But wait, there's more. For those watching their weight, cherries are low in calories and have a high water content, which helps you feel full and satisfied without overeating. Plus, they're just plain delicious, whether fresh, dried, or juiced, making them a perfect snack anytime. And for my sweet-toothed friends out there, cherries can be a great addition to your desserts. They add natural sweetness, reducing the need for added sugars. So not only are you indulging in something sweet, you're also keeping it healthier. Now, while cherries are great, remember to consume them in moderation as they do contain sugars and can contribute to calorie intake. Always strive for a balanced diet to maintain optimal health. All right, that's a wrap on why cherries are your best snack choice. I hope you're as excited as I am to add more cherries to your diet. Don't forget to subscribe to The Altruist for more tips on healthy living. Share this video with your friends, and let's spread the word about the fantastic benefits of cherries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy, stay happy.